Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, please take a moment and subscribe to my channel. So for today's video you will require some talcum powder, a paper cutter, acrylic colors, leaves of different shapes, and this is Mseal. So let's get started. So first you have to roll the Mseal. I am rolling this with a marker. You can take any round object to roll the Mseal. So basically we are making a tea light holder using Mseal. You can also use clay, air dry clay if you have. I will place the leaf on the Mseal properly and then press it so that the impressions of the leaves are there on the Mseal. And now I am rolling it on the Mseal with the same marker, and I have also pressed it with my hands. Now you will strip off the extra edges of the Mseal so that the shape of the leaf is obtained properly. And you have to be very careful while using the paper cutter because it's very sharp. Now we will slowly peel off the leaf, and you can see how beautiful impressions of the leaves are there on the Mseal. I think the camera cannot show it properly. I will just lift it up to show you all how beautiful the impressions are looking. You see how beautiful impressions are there on the leaf. Now we have to let it dry for at least 2 to 3 hours and it will be set. Now I have painted the borders with golden acrylic color, and see how beautiful it has turned out. I hope you like this video, and if you do, please hit the like button, and you can also share this video with your friends. And guys, you can also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is given in the description box below. It's Priya's Art Gallery. You can follow me there for more gardening tips. Thanks for watching guys. Bye.